Empire. Guys, Blue, TQ. Get together and let's get this shit over with, man. Pay me my money, man. All y'all know my shit was forged. Everybody was in the room together, man. Come on, man, get this shit over with so I can move on, bro. How would you like if a nigga took your kids' money? How would y'all like that? Do the right thing, man. Come with my shit, bro. Come with my shit, bro. It don't take long. This shit could be over with today. It take 4 seconds to write a check, nigga. Maybe 10. Come on, man. Hey, do the right thing, man. Shit was straight wrong. You wronged me, man. All y'all, man. Pay me my money, man. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Call my phone, nigga.
Niggas say the gangs do a whole lot of talking. If you hating on the gangs, then that's a whole lot of doubt. Put you in the river, old pussy ass nigga, that's a dead ass body. It's a brand new Jordan. Ex nigga bout me, I shit down the park. Wait a bitch round, everybody get hit. Couple M's on me, couple pills on me. A dog to time, all you hoes getting hit. Diamonds everywhere in the fountain. Double-digit kill out for penny in the coffin. Turn a neck on me and I'm sauce. Make a bitch won't commit adultery. Cause that nigga they done lost me. Keeping my respect, they ain't caring what it cost me. Riding in a big with a tick with a bad ass bitch. And I'm telling her to get down and mouth me adults. Whatever you come there, about money, got the bullshit. Let's go.
Guy from prison, I always support him, bro. He be drawing this shit out pictures. I always support this dude, bro. Hard.